This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Volkswagen Tiguan key to replace its battery. First, let's prepare. You'll need a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery, which offers excellent power and longevity. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to help open the casing. A soft cloth is also handy to prevent any marks on your key fob during the process. Having these items ready will make the replacement smooth and quick. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small button on the side to release and slide out the hidden physical key. Next, carefully examine the key fob's edge to find a small seam or notch, often near where the physical key was housed. Take your flathead screwdriver or pry tool, perhaps wrapped in a cloth, and gently insert its tip into this seam. Apply light pressure to start separating the two halves of the casing. With the key fob now partially open, gently continue to pry the two halves apart until the casing fully separates. You will see the old, round coin battery inside. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign or text, faces upwards. Now, carefully remove the old battery. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Almost done. Once the new battery is securely in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating that they are securely fastened. Finally, reinsert the physical key. Now, it's time for the crucial test. Press the lock, unlock, and trunk buttons to ensure all functions are working perfectly. Your Volkswagen Tiguan key fob should now be fully operational.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.